Okay, so I was thoroughly humbled by this question. We had to look up the answer. And the clue to how to do this problem is that they tell you, what you're multiplying by. It's 72.
Okay.
So if LMN times 72 equals x4872.
Okay.
X48y2. That means this number right here is divisible by 72, which means specifically it's divisible by 8 and 9.
Okay.
Okay? And all of the divisibility tests are in terms of the digits.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So we need to figure out what x and y are according to the rules of divisibility.
Okay.
Okay? Now, you told me the divisibility test for 8. What was that? What's the divisibility test for 8?
It's the last 3 digits.
The last 3 digits. So we need the number 8y2 to be divisible by 8.
Okay.
Because those are the last 3 digits.
Mm-hmm.
Agree?
Yes.
Okay. Now, for LMN XY, we've got our choices. Our, we wrote them out before. It's 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 9. Because we've already used 8 and 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. To make 8y2 divisible by 8.
Okay.
And we can select from any of these digits here any of 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 9 can be y.
Okay.
Which ones make this thing divisible by 8? Of these digits, 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, and 9, if I stick them right here, when is this thing divisible by 8? So, okay, is 802 divisible by 8?
No.
Has remainder 2, right? Is 812 divisible by 8?
Yes. No.
Yes.
No.
Has remainder 4, right? Because 808 is divisible by 8,
Uh-huh.
right? Is 832 divisible by 8?
Oy.
Yes or no?
No.
Be careful.
Yes?
Well, 32 is divisible by 8, and 800 is divisible by 8. This is
Okay.
8 times 104. Do you believe that?
Yes.
8 times 4 is 32?
Mm-hmm.
8 times 100 is 800. Okay, so that's good. We're good with 832. What about 852? Is that divisible by 8? So an easy way to do all of these is to realize that 800 is automatically divisible by 8. So the fact that 852 is 848 plus 4, and this thing is divisible by 8,
Okay.
that means we have a remainder of 4.
Okay.
I mean, we could also just sit here and do this kind of thing, right?
Divide.
Right. 1, and then we get 800, and then we have 52, and that goes in 6 times, but now we have a remainder. Right?
Okay.
So, no good, no good, no good. What about 862? 862, divisible by 8 or not?
No.
No. Why not?
800's divisible by 8, but 62 isn't.
Right, good. Okay, and then finally 892.
No, it isn't.
It's not, because 92 is not. Right? So that means, bingo, we know what y has to be. Y has to be 3.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's progress. Let's erase y. Oh, we can't. It won't let me erase now.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I know.
Evil.
There's something about...
Try clicking back on the eraser button.
Hmm?
Try clicking back on the eraser button now.
I don't know. Hold on. I'm going to save it. All right, so now we have figured out
Why?
y. And let's go ahead and say y equals 3.
Okay.
So we've narrowed down the possibilities to x, 4, 8, 3, 2. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Let's recap so far. What did we do? How did we figure out that this number right here is 3?
We went and checked which ones were divisible by 8 and 9.
Not 9 yet. Just
Not
8.
9, just 8.
Right? We knew that the divisibility test for 8 only involves the last three digits. And then I just went one by one. 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 9. And I tested. And then
wait, where did the 0... What? And you didn't do 2 because 2 is already there?
Yeah, here's an 8 and there's a 2.
No, 1,
right.
2. Where's the 4?
Right there.
Oh, there's the 4.
Right, because
6,
that's...
7? There's no 7. No, you never checked 7.
I never checked 7. Oh, man. We got to go back. I was using this 7. That is not part of it, is it?
No.
Okay. I got to go back and rewind. And there's a problem, folks, that we didn't check 7. 7 actually works also.
Yeah, it does.
Right? So now we just have 2 possibilities we have to check.
Oh,
right?
Yeah.
Okay, but it's fine. Now the question is, how do we apply? So, thus far, we did the divisibility test for 8, and we've narrowed it down to 2 possibilities. Now we have to do the divisibility test for 9, right?
Okay.
Okay. What is the divisibility test for 9? Remind the listeners, remind the viewers.
The divisibility test for 9 is when you, you add all the digits up, and then you get a 9 or a multiple.
Right.
Of 9.
Okay. So I'm writing that out right now. X plus 4 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 is x plus 17.
Okay.
Right? And x plus 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2 is going to be x plus 21. Okay? Now our choices for x are over here. They are, 1, 3, 5, 6, and 9, but not in both cases. Right? For the one on the left, 1, 5, 6, 9. And for the one on the right, it's going to be, no, I'm sorry. 1, 3, 5, 6, and 9. That's what this x can be, because it can't be 7.
Mm-hmm.
And this one can be 1, 7, 5, 6, and 9.
Okay.
Okay. So, in this case, which one gives us a multiple of 9?
In which case, give it.
X equals 6, right?
Uh-huh.
And in this case, which one gives us a multiple of 9? X equals 1.
X equals 1.
Okay? But now, look at what happens. We've got LMN times 72 equals 1, 4, 8, 3, 2.
Mm-hmm.
And over here, I have LMN times 72 equals 6, 4, 8, 7, 2.
Okay.
Okay? Now what? Now it's easy to figure out what LMN can be.
Okay.
Why is it so easy?
It's easier because now that you've checked both divisibility rules, you kind of have some idea.
But look, I don't even care about LMN anymore. I just have a number times 72 equals this. I can literally divide to figure out what this number is.
Oh.
Right? Mm-hmm. So all I have to do is divide 72 into 6, 4, 8,
7, 2.
Okay, I'm going to hit pause and do that.
Okay.
Okay, so we have actually figured out now that in this case, LMN has to be 901. I figured that out with dividing. Mm-hmm. And in this case, LMN has to be 206. But 206 is no good.
Okay.
Because I've already got a 2 right there.
Mm.
And I can't use the 2 again.
Okay.
And now we look at 901. And I look at these 5 digits and these 3 digits, and they're all different.
Okay.
All right?
Mm-hmm.
So we use the divisibility test for 8, divisibility test for 9, and then at the very end we just sort of checked to see what it could possibly be.
Okay.
Okay.